If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making MANDA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of rice flour, half a cup of jaggery or gur, a quarter cup of sugar. Take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, and we need about a tablespoon of that. A quarter cup of ghee and half a teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and over medium flame add water followed by the sugar and wait till it dissolves. Then to that add the ghee, salt and the powder and mix it up really well. Now before adding the flour, lower the flame to low, then add all the flour and keeping it on low flame, continuously you need to stir it to combine them really well. And after some time you will notice the water content will be reduced, and also because of the ghee, the flour mixture will not stick to the sides of the pan, as you can see. So at this stage, switch off the flame and let it cool completely. And in the meantime, we will make the stuffing. So for that, now take the jaggery along with quarter cup of water in a pan and set the flame on medium and let all the gur dissolve completely. Then after that, add the clove and cardamom powder, a pinch of salt and about 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it up really well. Then after that, add all the coconut, reduce the flame to low and coat them really well. And let it cook till all the moisture is gone, that is the water content, and the mixture becomes a little dry. Then switch off the flame and let it cool down for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. Now apply some ghee on both of your palm, then take a small portion of the dough and shape it like a ball, just like this. Now with the help of your fingers, flatten it a little. Now one thing you need to check is that while flattening it, if cracks are formed at the edges, then you have to knead the dough for roughly about 3-4 minutes. Then repeat the same process. Now shape it like a small cup and in that add the stuffing, just a small amount, and stretch the dough and close it on top. Then with minimum pressure, gently shape it like a ball again and place it in a steamer. And now these are ready for steaming. So for that, take some water in a steamer and bring that to boil and place the upper part which contains the MANDA PITHA. Now cover it with the lid and let it steam for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes and it should be done. But after that, remove the upper part of the steamer which contains the manda and let that cool down for roughly about half an hour to 1 hour. Then after that you can serve it. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, MANDA PITHA. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.